Okay, it's November 13, year 2023. Okay, here's the problem with the new servo pack. It always the first unit okay, that I repair when I plug in the power. Okay, plug in the power. Yeah. There's an error message with the C90, okay? And whenever we press this button, no response. Okay, this time I changed the controller board. That one. Okay, let's press it. There. I can now program it. Okay, that's about it. Thank you. By the way, this is the same unit that I replaced the IGBT and also replace the power supply board. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.